before I cut this guitar body out, I'm double checking. Deck needs to go down. So the bolt sets the level for the deck. It twists and you adjust it. Then it tighten this nut to keep the bolt from moving. Your deck should stay level when you've got it all set up. All right, then of course I tighten down this lever to set the deck. And even though it takes a better video, I'm going to lower this down so that help keeps the bandsaw in line. And it's time to cut this out.
Original.
It's starting to look like a guitar.